Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find communities on the Township application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Here go to the community button next to the settings option, and here you can find the communities on different social media platforms, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.